Okay, so hi guys, Sulek here and I'm here back with another review video. And so the product that I'll be reviewing today is called MailerLink, which is by Branson Tay. And so welcome back to my YouTube channel where I actually review IT products and cloud-based products and also provide you guys with training videos to bring your business to the next level. And so today I will be reviewing MailerLink, which is by Branson Tay, and it is set to release on the 22nd of July 2021 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And just to give you a brief overview of what MailerLink is about, it is actually a software product which helps you to build pages, as you can see over here, and then also do email marketing, as you can see this and here over here, and also create images. So you can actually make your pages more aesthetically pleasing. And so before I get on with my review, let me just go through the bonuses that I'll be providing you. And so this is my bonus page where you'll see Sulek's Insane Bonus Bundle, and do make sure you actually keep this in mind. And the bonus page will be expiring in 4 days and 17 hours. So after this timer runs out, this page will no longer be available. And so do make sure you actually click the first link down in the description box below as soon as you can. And so let me just give you a brief overview of what MailerLink is all about. And so MailerLink is actually all about it being actually the world's first breakthrough app which taps into 4.1 billion email users worldwide, and it's like having more than 50% of the entire global internet traffic at your fingertips. And just in 2021 alone, there were 4 billion, that's basically around half of the population of the world's population, email users worldwide, with over 7 billion active email accounts. And the important word here is active, so you know that they will actually be able to click on your link, and therefore you will be able to earn commissions. And so here's the kicker. So 95% of active consumers check emails every single day. And so can you just visualize the amount of opportunity you have? So you just have to get a small slice of this pie and you're able to make it big time already. And so you will be ready to devour your offers. And the best thing is that MailerLink actually works in any product, any niche and any market, and you'll be able to get free buyer traffic in just 20 seconds with just a single mail blast, which will let you earn up to $412. And the best part is you don't need any experience, any website, any tech skills, or any email list previously. And so before I get on with the front end price, let me just talk through the bonuses that I have. And also do make sure you actually keep this do watch this demo video later on. So because I actually have access to the members area, as you have seen, so I'll be going into it in great detail, so you can watch this in your own time to get to just understand what MailerLink is all about. And so bonus number one that I'll be providing you guys is Access Insurgency. So this is a product by Jono Armstrong, and he actually partnered with Rashwin, and I'm not sure if I've actually heard of him, but this product is all about making money from Facebook ads and Facebook advertising. And Rashwin, who is Jonah Armstrong's business partner in this product, actually is one of the best experts in Facebook ads in the affiliate marketing arena. So you know that you're going to be in good hands because you are able to access all of his knowledge, and also you are basically learning from the best. So this is in a sense a masterclass on Facebook ads. And so it will definitely include a business manager setup and all of the nitty gritty stuff, which will be made easier by going through Insurgency itself. And then bonus number two will be Access Fuego Breakout. So you'll be able to earn $200 per day on autopilot. And so this is a very interesting product because this is an all-in-one affiliate marketing software product where you can actually make lead pages easily, and also you'll be getting access to the Fuego traffic search. So I'm guessing you understand from the name itself. And so you'll be able to just push the traffic button. And this is a very important detail that not many people will tell you, but you'll be using Instagram. So you'll be using Instagram in order to bring good quality traffic. So you'll have to message one of these big influencers right now, and then you'll be able to make money based on the amount of time that the story is actually being present. So for example, if you're actually messaging them and then you say that I want it to be there for 24 hours, so you just have to pay a small fee, and then you'll be able to access all of their traffic. So this will definitely be in great detail when you actually get this bonus for free. You can keep that in mind, you'll be getting this for free. And then bonus number three will be learn how to make an app in less than 25 minutes. So just building an app in general is very underrated and it's not being utilized as much as it should be. And so by building an app in less than 25 minutes, which Jono himself will actually teach you how to do so, you'll be able to put your app in the Apple Store and then also in Google Play Store. So you'll be able to access, I think, close to 2 billion in traffic. So when they actually install your app itself, and then you can actually make it such that they will actually get the upsells over there and also definitely make more commissions on your end. And so, bonus number four will be reach people's inboxes using Stealth Day. And this is an amazing product, an exquisite product by Jono Armstrong. And this is a very interesting one. So, what this product is about, it's you'll be getting into people's inboxes using Gmail ads. So, let me just show you an example. I've actually loaded it up over here. And so, this is an example of an Gmail ad. So, it'll actually have the ad button actually beside it to let you know it's an ad. And many times I myself wonder how in the world did this person even get into my ads. I'm pretty sure that I've actually not done anything along these lines. Like I've not even searched this product before. So that is where Stealthy actually plays a very very huge part. And usually you will need to build website and landing pages, then you have to collect their email, then you need good traffic, and then you need to link to your autoresponder, then write up follow up sequences. But you don't have to do any of this with Stealthy, and you'll be able to bypass all of this process. And so you'll be able to not need so you basically don't need to follow this list building process and directly already access their Gmail account. So you'll be able to actually put your affiliate link in this ad itself and therefore make some very very big money. And so bonus number five will be all of the vendor bonuses that Branson himself has actually provided, and he's a super affiliate marketer. So let me just show you very quickly. So let me just load it up real quick. And this is my Warrior Plus account, and as you can see over here, this is the product. So this is MailerLink, and then this is Branson himself, and he is a 1% vendor. And you have to know how big the affiliate marketing industry is to realize how impressive it is to be a 1% vendor. And he has five featured offers. Many people even struggle to get one featured offer, and he has five of those. And he just started affiliate marketing around 2 or 3 years ago, and he's able to already make it big in this industry. So you know that this product is going to be worth your time. And so let me just address a very quick question that I usually get. So Sulek, how can I access your amazing bonuses? So let me just show you very quick. And so you just have to click on this access affiliate bonus, this blue button which is circled in red, and then you'll be brought to the page where you can actually access all of the bonuses. Then access your purchase is where you can access MailerLink by Branson Tay himself, and then you can actually click on any of these buttons. So click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. So this button, this button, this button, any of these buttons, and you'll be brought to the sales page, which looks like this. And so press send equals mail blast, and any link for free buyer traffic in just 20 seconds. And one mail blast equals to earning $412, and that's a big amount of money. And so I will actually be going through this very quickly, so do make sure you actually watch this video as well in your own time, because I want to focus on the members area itself. I'll be going through the bonuses that they'll be providing. And so in the last 30 days, just to show you some financial proof, someone has earned $12,375.30. So that is a lot of money, and it's quite insane how well this product itself has been working. So do make sure you actually read all of these testimonials to see in greater detail what there is to offer. And there you go, that's Branson Tay. And then do make sure you read all of this information. I'll just be scrolling down to the bonuses, and there you go, more and then these are some actual sales that they have actually generated from MailerLink itself. So you just have to press a few buttons and then send to your subscriber list, and therefore earn a big amount of commission, very big commissions. And so these are the bonuses that I'll be providing, that Branson himself is providing you with. So free bonus number one is the $1,000 a day live masterclass. So get your VIP ticket to our private live online masterclass, where we'll reveal how to make $1,000 a day plus Q&A to answer any of your questions live. And I will say that the fact that they actually included a Q&A, a question and answers afterwards, is actually very important. So you'll be able to clarify your doubts and therefore implement the steps as fast as possible. Then bonus number two, which is valued at $1,000, will be the 30-second free commission. So point and click system to get your first commission on Warrior Plus and ClickBank in 30 seconds. In 30 seconds for free, even if you're a complete beginner. So it doesn't matter what level of expertise you're at, you will be able to earn the commissions in just 30 seconds, according to the bonus itself. Then bonus number three will be the $513.07 per day viral traffic. So traffic is a big part of affiliate marketing. If I mean, of course, you will know this, but it's such an important part. And so our secret weapon for getting viral traffic and blasting any link to 500 million buyers overnight in one click. And this is a very, very important bonus. So do not miss out on it. And then the free bonus number four will be the MailerLink commercial license. So add an extra $200 to $500 daily income system for yourself with our agency and commercial license by selling gigs or services using MailerLink. So you'll be able to actually get the license rights to this, and this is actually for free because usually you have to pay in order to get it, but you'll be getting inside of MailerLink itself when you click the first link down in the description box below. And so you'll be able to sell your services such as the building of pages or also creating images on Fiverr and any other freelancing websites. So you'll be able to sell for like $5 to $10, and just with two sales you'll be able to cover the cost of a mailer link itself, which is absolutely crazy. And then free bonus number five will be the $1 million a year. So $1 million a year blueprint. So this insider's guide shows you how Branson and his team has generated over $1 million online, and how we plan to scale it to $20 million per year. So they'll be giving the exact blueprint, and if you actually follow the step-by-step goals, you will probably be able to see results like this, or even better, of course. So this is valued at $2,000, and it is for a reason. So I won't delay it any further, and you'll be getting five bonuses by Branson himself, and you'll be getting four bonuses in total from me, and with a total of nine bonuses. You can click the first link in the description box below to actually access this amazing and powerful product along with all of these insane exquisite bonuses. So let me just get right into the members area. I won't delay it anymore. And so this is the members area. So you'll be able to see the number of pages you have downloaded from the page builder itself. So let me just go to the dashboard real quick. And then there is also the number of images that you have created. So this is under the image creator section over here. And then there is the total campaigns. So this is on the email marketing section. So let me just go into the page builder. So you can actually create a new page builder. And then you can also find offers which you're interested in. So for example, if you are interested in like a bank deal, just click on this. And then these are the ones which are the most famous at the moment. So you can actually see their sales page to get more information, or you can also grab their deals. And then if you want to build a new page, you want to build a new page, then this is where you'll actually do it. You just click on the first button. Then you can choose any of these templates. So for example, if I want to choose this, then it'll actually load up in another page. Let me just close these. I don't need them anymore. And then you just wait for it to load, and then it will bring you to another website where like another page where it will say rendering template. Then you'll be able to edit according to what the details are needed according to your needs. And then of course you can choose from many different designs, and there you go. So in drop a line, you can just add a text. You can just add a text maybe on top of his head saying so since this is about yoga, so just over here itself and say healthy body, healthy mind. Oh no, healthy body, healthy mind. And then you are just able to download it. You can just download it, and then it will be saved into MailerLink itself. Then it should update from zero pages to one page. So it's as simple as that. It's so easy. And then for the image creator, which is one of my favorites, you can just create a new one. So just let the editor load. Okay, let me try something else. Let me just go back to home, and then I'll just open this in another tab. So in the time that it actually finishes, then I'll be able to show you. So this is the template, and then this is the image creator itself. And there you go. It's going to be loading soon. There you go. Okay. And then also, let me just get on to the last and most important feature, I would say. So there is the email marketing, of course. And do make sure you also access the training videos, because it's going to be very helpful. And this is the email API setting. So this is where you'll be able to work smart and not hard. So all of the different categories are already separated inside of the email campaign itself. So you can just take action, and then you can either do a Mandrill API, SendGrid API, Mailgun API, you name it. The email campaign, you can just click on actions, and there you go. So the image creator has also loaded up. And so then you can actually just save it. So if you actually like this, and then you can also choose the categories you want. So for example, if you're in if you want to do fitness, then you can just choose any of these. So for example, this one, you are about to reset canvas and apply a new design. Yeah, why not? Okay, and then you can just save it, and then it will actually load up inside your saved images, and then you can definitely sell this service on Fiverr and make consistent income. So it's going to be very helpful. And then over here is the email campaign. So this is the second section, and then you will be able to see all of the details that you have actually updated, whether they have updated or not. And then if you have any support, which is very unlikely for you to have any questions, because of the very in-depth training, because they will be showing you how is it that all of this works. So but even if you have any questions, do make sure you just go to the support desk and you can ask your questions, uh and they will let you raise a ticket, and they will get back to you as soon as possible. And so that will be it for the members area itself. And then, so this is just to let you know of the prices itself. So on the so for the front end, mailer link is actually $17, but do make sure you'll get the $4 discount on the downsell. So you'll be able to get it for $13 itself. And for upsell number one will be mailer link unlimited. So it is actually $47. On the downsell, it will be $37, and you'll be able to unlock all premium features of mailer link and remove all limits, create unlimited mailer link traffic campaigns, and get unlimited free buyer traffic, which is amazing. And then get unlimited leads and sales on autopilot. So you just have to click one button, and even if you are sleeping, you'll be able to see the money just rolling inside. And so upsell number two. Wow, there's a lot of bullet points. Mailer link done for you. So it is actually $197, but you'll be able to save $100 and get it at $97 instead on the downsell. So do make sure you get the downsell for all of these, and you'll be able to generate 100% hands-free income while they actually do all of the work for you. So that is why it's called DFI. And you get an unfair advantage with all our proven resources: traffic campaigns, swipes, funnels, templates, videos, articles, media files, PDF files, and many more for your maximum results. So they are basically doing most of the hard work for you, and you don't have to research and find what are the best traffics and all of that stuff, because you'll be able to get get mailing done for you from the expertise themselves, from the experts themselves. And upsell number three will be MailerLink monetization. So it will be $97, but you'll be saving $50 on the downsell. So do make sure you get the downsell, and you'll be able to turn the traffic you generate with MailerLink into profits, and then enjoy up to 5,000 plus dollars it is with high ticket commissions. And then everything is done for you. So the campaigns, the funnels, the email swipes, the offers which are proven to convert, and bonuses to offer, you name it. And then upsell number four will be the MailerLink limitless traffic. So you'll be saving $100, and do get it at the downsell of $67, and you can tap into their personal diamond source of viral traffic for unlimited sales and commission. So like right now, you know that there are actually a few traffic sources that are special, and are going to be able to see much more results quickly. So they will be tapping into that itself. And then the exact traffic secret we used to generate 400,000. Wow. 400. Oh my goodness. That is a lot of money. you'll be able to generate $400,000 in 4 months, averaging 100,000 per month, and you're basically earning. You're literally owning a virtual ATM machine, and it's all done for you free by traffic on autopilot, and you'll be able to get additional bonuses apart from the five bonuses that Richard is all that Branson is already providing you with. So you'll be able to get the additional premium free traffic apps, and then the training and tutorial videos, step by step guide included, and also real life case studies, so you can actually copy what is it that they're doing correctly and therefore replicate their results or even get better results in it. And then upsell number 5 will be the franchise partner license. Wow, so you'll be saving $400. Do make sure you save that $400 and get it at $97 instead. And so become their official franchise partner and sell MailerLink while keeping 100% of the commissions plus guaranteed approval. And you can get it up to 1,120 per visit you send us. And it's a business in a box and nothing for you to upload or host. It's as simple as that because their professional team, Branson's professional team, will be able to handle all the supports for you, and you don't have to worry about a single thing on the support side. And last but not least, upsell number 6 will be the missing piece, so you'll be getting it for $47 on the downsell. So it was actually found accidentally by a MailerLink beta tester, which pockets us an additional $300 to $500 per day. So this is a very very interesting loophole which they have found in the system itself, and then it works surprisingly well with MailerLink, and we've seen 5 times 5x income boost with this missing piece, and you're leaving money on the table without this unique upgrade. And add another income stream to your arsenal, and the bonus that they're offering for this upsell number 6 will be the training and tutorial videos included, so you'll be not so you can actually clarify your doubts if you actually have any, and you're able to get step by step training as to what is it that is going on in the missing piece itself. So some key benefits you may be interested in getting from MailerLink is it's 100% new, never seen before solution, and it's autopilot by traffic in just 20 seconds. Just 20 seconds is needed, and you even beginners, total newbies are getting traffic and sales literally overnight. And then it works in any niche you want, and you can achieve financial freedom, and you can quit your job, travel, and enjoy life, and stop failing and finally break through. And there is the 365 days money back guarantee plus get results of $200. So all of this is actually covered by a 30 days money back guarantee. So if for some reason you feel like MailerLink is not living up to your standards, or you can actually just contact the customer support and they will give back your money without asking any questions. And then so just to recap, the bonuses, the amazing powerful bonuses that I myself am providing you with is access to Insurgency by Jono Armstrong, who is a super affiliate as well, just to let you know. And then bonus number 2 will be $200 per day on autopilot, which is the Fuego breakout plus the Fuego traffic search, which is inside of this bonus itself. And then bonus number 3 will be how to make an app in less than 25 minutes. And bonus number 4 will be reach people's inboxes using Stealth D. And then bonus number 5 will be all of the vendor bonuses that Branson himself has provided. So the 5 bonuses that he has provided and the 9 bonuses that I've and the 4 bonuses that I've provided will total up to 9. So do click the first link down in the description box below to get a copy of MailerLink with all of these amazing bonuses. So that'll be it for my review video today. I do hope you have enjoyed my review video, and do let me know down in the comment section which review video you want to see me do next, or if you have any questions you would like me to clarify. And also do click on that subscribe button, so make it turn from red to white, so because it really does help in supporting this channel. And also click on the bell icon to be notified of when I'm going to be posting next. And also smash that thumbs up, just smash that thumbs up button to actually help with the YouTube algorithm, because it really does go a long way in supporting this channel. And that will be it for my review video. And so this is Sulek here, and I'm signing off. Peace.